Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. It's Hollywood Awards season. I know we're not really going to be on the red carpets this year, but they're still going to have the Oscars and the Golden Globes and all these awards. So I want you to start looking. They just released the Golden Globe nominees. See if any movies align with your business. I know so many people who've gotten publicity. The media loves celebrity. So if you can tie your expertise and your business to a movie that's been nominated, you will really elevate your opportunity to get in the media. So that is this week's PR tip. If you haven't checked out our live event later this summer in August in Dallas, all COVID protocols in place. I promise it's going to be a really small crowd or group, not even a crowd. And then we're going to have a virtual side of this as well. So you can get on the wait list at captivateandcashinlive.com. This is going to be a game changer. My friend Cindy Ashton and I are going to be working with people, and it's going to be hands-on, step-by-step, taking action, writing your video scripts, writing your media pitches. We've got A-listers coming. Multiple Emmy award-winning news anchor will help you write your pitches. Everybody who's there, people online, we have a whole system to help you all too. We've got some really exciting news that will drop about it as time comes on, but get on the wait list, get your free blueprint that will get you started today. When you go to that site, captivateandcashinlive.com, just register to. We're going to release information in a couple weeks, but get your free blueprint and get started becoming an A-lister in your industry today.